That's the world I'm living in currently. It's a chaotic mess.
It's an awful house, and I wanted to get.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. I literally just woke up. It's like 8:30. I slept really late last night. I've got a Pilates class in an hour, so I need to pray and then get ready to go. So yeah. I just got back from the gym. I have a parcel that I need to quickly go and send out, and then I'm going to go and relax my hair. But first, let's go and drop this off.
Born like that, but like hi. You know what I mean? And so they were just
Hi. So the day hasn't quite gone as I planned that it would. I woke up this morning by like 8:30, and then I ran to the gym. Like I literally I prayed and then I jumped, brushed my teeth, and then changed and went straight to the gym for the Pilates class that I booked for 9:30. And that was my first Pilates class, and it was really hard. It was really good. Maybe because I'm not like a beginner to work out, so it wasn't as terrible. It was very painful though, but not as terrible as it would be for like a complete beginner. And then it was so good that I decided to stay for the app class, and that went on from 10:30 to 11, and then I walked to the GP because I need to transfer my information. The reason why I'm currently registered to a GP in Brighton, and it's a whole nother story of why my GP is in Brighton and I'm in London, but that's by the way. So I got forms and I was supposed to return them by like 3 to 4, but I'm so tired. It's like past 3. I don't even want to leave my house. I'll do that tomorrow. And then I said I was going to relax my hair because it's so due. I have a hair appointment on Saturday. Guess what? Just my luck, I have no relaxers. Yeah, I don't have a relaxer, so I'm just going to have to wash my hair and like blow dry. I don't even know what to do with my hair, honestly. And there's like nowhere close to me. There's no like African hair shop that's close to me that I know of personally, because I've been to the high street like 100 times. I go to work through the high street. I haven't seen any African shop or any shop at all that sells relaxer or hair for Africans or like my hair. So that's sad. I can't relax my hair. And then I was like, I was going to wash my bathroom, relax my hair, do everything I need to do today, and tomorrow just focus on driving lesson and then one more cross training class before I'm back to work for the next 5 days. But it doesn't look like it's happening the way I planned it, but I'll live, I'll survive. So I don't even know how to spend the day anymore, but I did do my Pilates and app class, so I guess that's a win for today. And yeah, also forgetting, because I know there's something I was forgetting. How is it like today that I went to the post office to drop off? The post office is closed. The post office is closed, and it only opens when I'm at work, so there's no way for me to drop off the parcel, and I seriously need to drop it off before I can't return it anymore. So once again, just my luck. Post office closed. That's the world I'm living in currently. It's a chaotic mess. But I'm just going to edit because I have a vlog I've been filming, and then I don't even know what to name that vlog. So it's going to come out before this one because this is a new vlog. It will just be like a June vlog because there's no title to it. It's just like days in June and continuation from my last cleaning vlog. I cleaned some more, so yeah, I guess that's how I'm spending the day. And then I'm going to read. My brother was begging me earlier to make his hair, so I don't know if he's still going to want to do that today, to braid his hair. If he comes, then I guess that's something I did for today. Other than that, I'm just going to edit. When I get tired, I read, because I'm currently reading this. It's a part 2 in the trilogy of A Good Girl's Guide to Mother. So this is the part 2, and this one's Good Girl, Bad Blood. I haven't read part 1. I listened to part 1 on Stephanie Sue's Bam's Baking a Mystery, so I don't need to read part 1 again. I might buy it. I might get the book later on, but since I already listened to it, I already know what the story is, and I'm just going into part 2. It's really captivating. It's really interesting. So yeah, I've been talking for 8 minutes 49 seconds, but that's it from me and my very chaotic day. Next time I'll make sure to plan better, plan way better. I can't believe that I made it. I've been doing that for almost 3 hours, but I'm done.
One, two, I like that. Got me feeling like a kid. Shyer than I can admit. Cover me in lilac. No, I like that. So nice, yeah. One look, give me butterflies. Lush, it's my favorite color. Rosy, sweet, you got me lush. I look good, but you look better on me, don't ya? Your touch, baby, so soft on my skin like perfume, falling deeper in your kiss, and it's a bliss. Honey candy, chartreuse, I'm getting warmer. Temperature rising, I'm not coming down anytime soon. Lush, yeah, you're making me hush. Yeah, you're making me lush. Is it a dream? I got the stars in my eyes, I can't breathe. Peaches and cream, put the glow in my cheeks. One, two, I like that. Lush, it's my favorite
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under.
Hi. So I had an early day today. I just got back from work. I'm currently sick again. My voice was gone yesterday, but it's gotten better. I had an early work day today, so I'm back home and I'm just chilling. I'm currently boiling pasta to eat, and I've got some laundry to put away, whites that I washed that was still in the dryer, but my mom got them out for me and left them on my bed. So that's what I'm going to do first before I eat. These are 2 books that I got recently. I need to put away. And I've been doing a really good job at reading the books I've been buying. Oh, I was going to buy Knitting Wool from Poundland and I forgot. Oh well, maybe next time. Maybe next time. So a friend of mine gave me these sweets and she traveled to Japan for about a month, I think. Yeah, she traveled for about a month, and then she got me these sweets, and then she also like added this little note to it. And then the cutest thing about it is the note. Like, I really felt appreciated from this little note, and then she added like a seal to the envelope, which I thought was really nice. So I'm definitely going to keep this. I really enjoyed them, and this was my favorite. It's the Kit Kat matcha latte flavor. I don't know if we had this here in London. I'm definitely going to look for it because I haven't had anything matcha. That was my first time like having any flavor related to matcha, except from green tea, obviously. But I really enjoyed this chocolate a lot. I really loved it, and it was just like an overall sweet gesture. I also gave my brother some and everything, but I just forgot to like take the wrappers out, and I'm done basically. So now I just have to sweep everything up and we're done cleaning. So I just gave my room a quick reset now, and I think I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.